In this video, you'll learn how to create smooth speed ramping on a clip using retime controls and curves. We'll take a single video clip and make parts of it slower, other parts faster, and then blend those changes so they feel natural and cinematic rather than sudden and jarring. First, make sure you have your clip already placed on the timeline. Click on it once to select it. Now move your mouse over that clip, then right-click it and choose the option called Retime Controls. This will reveal a retime bar across the top of your clip, usually showing the current playback speed, like 100%. Think of this retime bar as the control strip where you'll set up all your speed changes. Next, you'll add what are called speed points. These are markers that divide your clip into sections, and each section can have its own speed. Move the playhead to the first moment where you want the speed to change. This could be the start of an action you want to emphasize or a point where you want things to speed up. With the playhead in position and the clip still selected, click on the little arrow in the retime bar and choose the option to add a speed point. You'll see a small divider appear, splitting the clip into two segments in the retime bar. Repeat that process at every point where you want a new speed change. Move the playhead, add another speed point, and keep going until the clip is divided into all the sections you need. Each segment between speed points is now independently adjustable, which is the key to creating your speed ramp. Now it's time to set different speeds for each of these sections. Click on one segment in the retime bar, then use the speed drop-down or percentage field to change its speed. For example, you could set one section to 50% to create slow motion, another section to 200% to speed things up, and maybe leave a middle section at 100% for normal speed. As you adjust, watch the length of each segment on the timeline. Slower speeds make that section longer, and faster speeds make it shorter, so be aware of how this affects your overall timing. After you've set the speeds, the changes will work, but they may feel abrupt. To make everything flow smoothly, you'll refine it with a retime curve. Right-click on the clip again and choose Retime Curve. A graph will appear, usually in a panel beneath your timeline, showing how the speed changes over time. In this curve view, each point on the line represents the speed at a particular moment in your clip. A straight angled line means the speed jumps directly from one value to another. To create smooth transitions, you want that line to bend gradually instead of changing in a straight step. Select the key points on the curve that correspond to your speed points. Then, adjust the handles or change the interpolation so the speed ramps up and down over a short period instead of instantly. Gently pull the handles to create a soft S-shaped curve where the speed increases or decreases. This smoothing gives you that polished, professional speed ramp look where the viewer feels a natural acceleration into the fast section and a gentle glide into the slow motion.